Hi, I'm Danil.
I'm Joy Case.
And so we are presenting our online Agentic learning platform. It lets you upload your own documents and then it converts the courses, lessons. And then instructor can use these lessons to, for example, send them to students. And then our platform would automatically go through this lessons with the students. Using the learning materials that the instructor uploads. And so the whole process is very streamlined.
As a professor, you can upload any of your course material for your students, and in moments you can get a very detailed course that you can email to your students, and it shows the images, graphs, charts in many languages, and you have speech to speech, so you don't even need to touch the keyboard. A very fast way for a professor to take any course materials, make a lesson for it. The multi-agent system does the work, send to their students. And what I love about it is checks for constant comprehension. So it's always getting the student back on track. So we call it the North Star Learning Platform. Excellent for professors and wonderful for students or for self-paced learning in any subject. So Danil, do you want to speak to how it works on a bit of the technical side?
Yes, so when you upload a textbook, it's going to extract a table of contents, and using this table of contents, it's going to split this textbook into sections. And then for each section, it's going to create a lesson separately. So this allows to reduce the context length that you have to fit into the language model. And then after this, it actually produces prompts for another language model, which can then use it to actually teach the lessons. And so if you try our platform, you would see that actually creating lessons from a textbook can take a while. But then, once you open the already created lesson, it replies to you instantly because the prompt is very compressed and just for the topic. Yes, you have multiple conversation roles in order to try and make it more flexible. For example, you have one role that just produces, it speaks different parts of the lesson, message by message, in order to walk the students through the lesson. And we have another role which asks students more questions, and it doesn't proceed with the lesson until the student can answer correctly. So these two roles working together can try and can more effectively teach a student than each role separated.
I believe this is very disruptive in education, K-12, and then people's personalized learning journeys post-secondary as well. So there is a use case for this technology for learning at every level and stage of life. And so one use case we're especially proud of right now is in the work that I founded at AIforall.live. We have a learning library of over 3,500 resources, and 3,200 of those have been successfully uploaded into the learning framework, and they are being utilized by people all over the world to learn about the latest updates in AI education. And so it's AI education for AI educators. And it's a brilliant learning tool that we enable universities to use, professors to use individually, teachers, and it will have a massive effect in enterprise and corporate as well once we get it out to that arena.
They can go to our website, soclearn.org, and try and give it a try. It's completely free. They can use it to create courses or go through the lessons. I think it's because it's a great venue for connecting with other people interested in education.